Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to learn about an important literary device which we call epiphany. What is the dictionary meaning of epiphany? Epiphany is a moment of sudden or great kind of realization about something that has happened in past. As a literary device, it is the moment when a character is suddenly struck with a life-changing realization. I mean to say that there is a character who is doing all the bad practices, corruption, hatred, revenge, and suddenly because of some event or realization, he or she gives up all the bad practices and adopt the good course of life. कोई कैरेक्टर था जो बहुत टाइम से कुछ बुरे काम करता आ रहा था और उस कैरेक्टर को सडनली रियलाइज होता है कि what I was doing, I should turn my life for a betterment. This moment basically is called epiphany. Okay, let us move on further and understand why is epiphany important in literature at all. आखिर राइटर्स एपिफेनी को यूज़ क्यों करते हैं लिटरेचर में? तो सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये है कि ये अम्यूज़मेंट प्रोवाइड करता है एक तरीके की, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड एन एपिफेनी इज़ अ मोमेंट इन विच देर इज़ अ सडन रियलाइजेशन दैट लीड्स टू अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव. कैरेक्टर को एकदम से रियलाइज़ होता है कि अरे बाप रे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ और करना चाहिए, कुछ बेटर करना चाहिए. So epiphany provides a kind of amusement to readers, and readers or watchers feel happy when bad turns into good, isn't it? Or even realizes that even if the bad character realizes that his act were not good, people feel happy about it. So epiphany basically works on pleasure principle and to give a feel good factor to readers or audiences. Okay, let us move on and take this famous example, Ja Simran Ja जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. This famous scene has been taken from the movie दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, DDLJ भी कहते हैं हम इसको शॉर्ट में. इसमें एक कैरेक्टर है जो काजोल हमें दिखाई दे रही है, उसका नाम मूवी में था सिमरन, एंड सिमरन के साथ उसके बाऊजी खड़े हैं जो कि उसको उसके सो कॉल्ड बॉयफ्रेंड लवर से शादी नहीं करने देते, शाहरुख खान, जिसका नाम मूवी में राज है. बट इन दी end he suddenly realizes that nobody can love my daughter more than this person. तो उसको वो राज के साथ जाने की परमिशन एकदम से दे देते हैं, which was quite unexpected to all the people who were watching this movie. But I can say as a literature teacher, as a literature student as well, that this moment was actually an epiphany moment created in the movie to give pleasure, to give unexpected pleasure, I must say, to the audience. Okay, let us move on and say that epiphany is basically, according to me, a Yahoo kind of moment. Wow, I enjoyed it kind of moment. So everybody enjoys these kind of moments in their life, and a literary device is basically we can say that it is a literary device which is the moment when a character is suddenly struck with a very happy kind of feeling that now he or she can make a better change in his or her life. So that is why either a Yahoo moment you can say or a wow moment you can say. Okay, let us move on now to the further part of this video and understand with the help of this argument. आर्ग्यूमेंट जब भी हम करते हैं ना, तो कभी कभी हमें आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हुए रियलाइज़ हो जाता है कि यार ये हम क्या कर रहे हैं और क्यों कर रहे हैं, और अपने ही दोस्तों के साथ या अपने ही रिश्तेदारों के साथ या अपने ही फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट क्यों कर रहे हैं. तो अगर उस तरीके की रियलाइजेशन किसी को आर्ग्यूमेंट करते करते होती है, तो दैट मोमेंट इज़ बेसिकली दी epiphany moment. Arguments or frictions with friends or families are part of everyone's life, and suppose let us take this example. There are two friends who keep on arguing on some or other issue, be it the choice of a movie or even the political topics, and one day these friends are actually fighting over some political issue that this party is the best or that party is the best, and suddenly one of them realizes what we are doing. We are putting our friendship for a sake for these parties who do not even care for us. So that moment is basically the epiphany moment for one of that friend who realized this reality of life. So this is what we mean by the term epiphany. Okay, let us move on and टेक अ लिटरेचर एग्जाम्पल. आई होप आप सब ने 12th क्लास में एक स्टोरी पढ़ी होगी इंग्लिश में, द रैट ट्रैप. रैट ट्रैप एक ऐसी स्टोरी थी जिसमें एक थीफ था जो कि रैट ट्रैप्स को बेचता था, माउस ट्रैप्स को बेचता था, और साथ ही साथ छोटे मोटे स्टीलिंग के एक्ट्स भी किया करता था। तो एक बार उसको अपने स्टीलिंग के एक्ट के बाद एक बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है आउट ऑफ सम मिस्टेकन आइडेंटिटी फ्रॉम अ फैमिली ऑफ फादर एंड डॉटर. So the rat trap seller repents over his act of stealing by the end of the story because of that good treatment that he got. So he decides to give up this habit of stealing, and that was the moment of epiphany in the life of this rat trap seller. Okay, let us move on to the further part of the video, and I think we have reached to the end of the video. So the purpose of epiphany basically in a novel or a short story is to point out a turning point for a character. It may also be used to change the opinion of one character about other characters, events and places after a sudden awareness of the situation. Basically, it gives the readers a kind of satisfaction or a feeling that all is well that ends well. So I hope your exams also end at a good note and the topic is perfectly clear to you, and now onwards you will be able to find out the epiphany moment from any novel or story or poetry, and even out from your life as well, or from a movie that you watch. Thanks for watching this lesson and best of luck for your exams.